Hello guys, so the first thing we're gonna take is a Dollar Tree strainers to put your spaghetti. After that, I'm gonna take some floral foam, put some hot glue and attach it to the middle like that. Then I'm gonna take this candle holder, I'm gonna use two of them, put a little bit of hot glue and attach it to the floral foam like that. Then go ahead and grab these beautiful flowers. They come in Dollar Tree as well. They come in different colors. You don't have to do it. I just wanted to do it with a little bit of blue and white with a hint of orange. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place two flower in the middle, and then I'm gonna place the other flower all the way around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This one is more like a simpler look if you don't want to add orange to this fall decorations that you guys are doing, which I think is so inexpensive and easy for you guys to do. But if you want to add up a little bit of the orange, this is how beautiful it turns out. Either way that you guys do it, I think it looks so cute and it's so inexpensive. Now for the next idea, I'm going to use one of this little plastic ice cream cup. I'm going to use one of these containers. I'm going to put some hot glue on top and attach it into place. Spray paint it in gold, then put a candle in the middle with a glass. I'm also going to do for the next one, just use this shower curtain ring and then just place it around. This is how cute it turns out, just as simple as that without the shower curtain, which it looks great, and you could do it any color that you guys would like. And this is how it turns out with the ring. I think either or, it will look super cute and you can do it at home. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of these little candy jars and I'm going to use this like little square dot. It's like a double-sided dot. I'm just going to go ahead and place it all around it in the container like that. Then go ahead and spray paint it and go. I'm going to take this clear container. I'm going to take the sticker out just to leave a little bit hole, and then I'm going to place a light in the middle like that. Then go ahead and grab this decorative stuff, put it on top, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So cute and simple that you guys can do at home. I think this looks so great and it will look amazing on your table decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of these planters, and I'm also going to grab this glass. I'm going to spray paint them in silver. You could do any color you guys would like. Then go ahead and place the glass upside down, put some hot glue and attach the planter on top. Here you could color the whole thing out. I didn't, but you could just color the whole thing out because it won't show. Then go ahead and place another glass on top. Then go ahead and place some greenery around the planter like that and just attach it into place. Once you attach it, just go ahead and add up whatever flower color that you guys would like to do. Just go ahead and place it around it until you do the whole thing. Here you could place any different color of flowers. You could use all do white, whatever how you guys would like to do. Place a candle in the middle and the glass, or you could put a candle holder in the middle and then place the glass on the top to give a little bit to stand out. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Super cute, super easy that you guys can do. And this is the other way how it looks, which is, I think it looks beautiful as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to take one of these clear containers, spray painted in black, and I'm going to take this marble and spray painted in gold, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it all the way around it. So I'm just going to attach it. Then I took this candle holder, spray painted in gold, and I'm going to use three of them, tall, medium, and large, and place it in the middle. Just go ahead and attach it with hot glue. Place your candle on top. I'm going to put some greenery all the way around it. Place another one upside down, and this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. These are easy DIY that you guys can do at home, and I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching.